Hi, I'm Annie Cash, and for today's local look, it brings us to Front Street in Coupeville at the coolest collaborative coffee shop in town. We are at Seagull Coffee Shop, which offers flowers, fresh coffee, and locally made goods.
Way too cool for the school. Hey, I think I'm in the wrong class. Ticket time. Eyes on the prize, making sure that we shine. Got like 8, need 2 for the down. Living how we live.
So located at 10 Front Street in Coupeville, the hours are Wednesday through Sunday, 10 to 4, and you've got to stop in. The vibe here is incredibly relaxed and chill, and you've got things from locally made art and gifts, Mukilteo coffee roasters, and then Poppy and Pomegranate provides the flowers. So come on by the Seagull Coffee Shop because this is the perfect place to support local. You can stay inside with your coffee or go outside on their deck and enjoy the amazing view. Either way, Seagull Coffee Shop, it's where you kick off your island adventure. The best kept secret in Coupeville, backing that on. This is Seagull and something, Seagull does, Seagull Coffee Shop, which offers coffee, something else, and something else. Dang it, I had it! Coffee, flowers. Coffee, flowers, and locally made goods. So Coffee Roasters is their amazing, nope, don't like it, don't like it. So, I don't want to start with so. We don't want to start with so. Or take advantage of the amazing view on their deck, on their, Jesus. Okay, I got it this time.